Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm excited to share you something useful for all the mini four-wheel drive racers out there. A new 3D printed Portapit organizer made by Kaizen Circuit Mini four-wheel drive hobby shop. Now let's first talk about the material. Now this is a 3D printed, so it's very lightweight but durable. Okay, the plastic is not thin unlike other 3D printed products. Now this is very easy to install. Just get your Portapit organizer, okay, and then slide it inside, and there you have it. Perfect fit. In this part, you can put stuff like screwdriver, grease, and whatever you want. And then in the middle, you can put 7 motors. And then on the left, the extreme left, you can put a pair of battery. And then on the extreme right, another pair of battery. Now let me show you. Let's start with the battery. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, and then on the other side, 1 and 2. Now for the motor, you can put it like this. Okay, the label on the right side. Slide it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a dual shaft, 6, and 7. There you have it. And just like that, you have a nice looking Portapit organizer. Another great product by Kaizen Circuit. If you like this product, just message them in Facebook to place your order. So that's it for our quick product review. As always, stay safe and keep on racing. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.